morning, everyone. Welcome back to my vlog. It is Saturday morning today, and I'll be doing a whole lot. I'll be doing some shopping, some cooking, some cleaning, but most importantly, I'll be going for my swimming exercise. As you can see, I'm all dressed in my swimwear. I will be off for now, and I will see you again when I'm back for my swimming.
A few moments later.
What age is that?
I need to.
What age did it say?
It said 9 minus 10.
9 to 10. Yeah, you can fit you.
Dada, put it in the bag.
It's a nice one. Put it in the bag.
Put it in the bag.
You don't have to shout, please.
Mommy, Dada, stop putting it in the bag. But Dada don't want to put it in the bag.
What else are we gonna get?
That's not my bag.
You don't need the bag.
But that's here.
Come, let's see if we can get a gown.
What's not this one?
Then we'll go for Daniel's stuff. Which one?
Oh, come on. Spider-Man. Give me my car.
I don't know what the car is.
Huh? What car? Pow Pow. Pow Pow? Yeah, it's missing. No, it might be back. Pow Pow's in the back?
Daniel, come this way. Let's see.
Where's Mom?
So at this point, we had to hurry up a bit because we have to do a bit of grocery shopping, and there's also a birthday party for the kids to attend. You need to watch out for the car.
Wow, let's go now. Yeah, a lock. No, the hole.
it? I don't know.
I might miss something. I think we need to do more of this. You know what these kids have in their
So guys, it's moi moi for dinner. This food is nutritious and very rich in protein. It is one of the staple food in my country, Nigeria. So as you can see, everything needed, every ingredient needed to prepare this dish has been made available and is ready. So let's get started. So guys, I'll be using the little aluminum plates as well as leaf to cook this dish. So after mixing up the blended beans with all the required spices, I added water to achieve the consistency I needed. I don't want it very thick or very light, just somewhere in between. So I went ahead to scoop it. I had to use the plate first. So this forms the base in the pot because I'm not very good at using the leaf. Anyways, I did my best. Yes, I'm done with the plates. Let me try using the leaf. It's not very easy for me. Plus, I haven't done this for ages. So I'm done with everything. I added water to the pot, not too much, just at the base, so the water does not overflow and goes into the plates while boiling. I allowed it to cook for 35 to 40 minutes with regular checks. Everything came out the way I wanted it.